So here's another one of my videos today. So today we're gonna be today I'm gonna be showing y'all that this bird that my brother rescued and sister. But my brother, he got the net, a pool net, and then he got the bird because the bird was right here in this area, just floating on that first step. And then so there's my little puppy. I didn't want him to get it, so we put the bird on the grass. And then I was like, oh, well, I don't want my dog to get rabies because I don't know if it has rabies. But I think all birds have rabies, the ones that come from outside. But the ones that are at Fishbowl, Petco, I don't know. I don't think those have rabies. But look at this bird. Please comment below what kind of bird y'all think this is. But this ain't the end of my video. But there's the bird. And I gave him a little boiled eggs. If y'all can see, it's right there, that little white thing. See, he's looking at me. But I'm gonna have to let him go because I think all the water got off of his wings because it was just raining. So I'm gonna try to take this off. I'm gonna see if he flies or anything. So, hey. Look, there he is. You see him moving? This is the very first bird we rescued, I think it is. And I think he got shocked or something. Because if y'all could see, you see that little red spot on him? That's like he probably got shocked or something. But I'm gonna try to find something to move him with. We're gonna throw this little noodle away so I can use this, I guess. Oh, I thought he left. Whew. I don't know if it's blurry. Oh, well. Well. Look, he's walking. He's walking. Oh, my gosh. He's walking. Oh, my gosh. So, that's the very first bird that we rescued. Aw, he's standing up now. I'm gonna try to get him back on his feet, which is he is. Come on, fly, fly. Get on here, fly. Come on, come on. He's scared. Come on. You see his cut? Ah, oh, that's bad. Come on. It's right, don't be scared. Oh, shoot. He just flew his wing at me. Come on, fly. Oh, fly. Fly. Well, I'm going to try to get him out. I want to try to make him fly and stuff, so stay in my video. Please comment, subscribe to my channel. Comment below what y'all think about my video. And I just stepped in a pile of ants. That really hurts. Well, thanks for watching. Bye. That hurts.